Ka Samla Eulaila Malngiang ka badai na kasnong malki, balay ora ekanam kum kamis Global International Ambassador arjara posau. Ka Pynkup Burom halaki jong Kiba Haïing asem, haka program balapan long, haka kat para terik jemang arjara posau, hakasi National Debar Hol Mawphor. Haka neka program lawan bandan langru uba manual badwar kum ukongsan, uba janai nong kendri, uba de unong hikai balapau haki jing syat kasi. Bara borlang lengdo moplang, uba de International Marketing Director, jongka Master Elite International, kimi jongka Samla Eulaila Malngiang, ki henmen ki para bat Kiba Haïing asem. Aba keren haka neka sengi kumukongsan, uba manual badwar ulong, bahaka neka pertei bamenta, ka fashion kalalong tang karong pong pertei, here ki kun Samla kiri ban shim baka fashion kadika lat, ban pen kasab jongki shaka pertei ye kirim kasi. Ulong ru baka jing shimrai ka bamenta, kan wanra eka jing kalah kini kisana nechposnem, berkum ki Samla kiri ban long ki bajanai, haba jid eka no ka benta ke bagi sengtenak. Nakaliang ka Samla Eulaila, kelai ka jing kuble ki kimi kikpa, Kiba Haïing asem, bari ki badon menta ban kentiu eka hakani kasab, badong baleng ba kan ka jing treshtom, kan poe shekiran san ki bakham he.
The journey in life is very difficult. It is not easy. The obstacles in life are very tough. But if you are determined enough and you believe in yourself, you will be able to achieve anything in life, as long as you try hard. Now my journey began when I finished my matriculation. My mother, she actually wanted me to audition for Miss Cherry Blossom 2019. So, right after that, I decided, okay, fine, I'll try this. It was very out of a thing for me because I've never done this before. So I took part in it, and that's when I met my first mentor here, Pageant. He taught me the ways to be a beauty queen. He taught me many things in life. That's when I got to know that there are a lot of things in life that I have been missing. So as I continued my journey, I started participating in a lot more pageants, in which some I have won and some I have failed. But these failures have never stopped me. These failures have taught me a lot of things. I have always learned new things from it. My strongest pillar being my mom herself. No doubt about it. And because of this, starting with her, then my brothers, then my family, my friends, and all of you gathered here today, you are now my pillars. And when I competed there on Nepal, I have met Sir Manuel. Indeed, my confidence was a bit low because it was my first time participating in an international pageant away from my state, away from my country. And when I met him, he told me that it took a lot of guts for me to do that. And that I should never forget my morals, that I should be myself. And the second supporter was our state director and our national director, Sir Rao. When I was there in Nepal, my mother and my family weren't there with me because we had to stay for 7 days. It was a 7-day event. Hence, with his support, his advice, he encouraged me. Every day he taught me new things. Hence, I was able to go there with confidence and walk and speak about my state and myself. One thing we have all forgotten is that I was still behind me and all of you supported. Hence, I was able to go there with confidence and walk and speak about my state and myself. One thing we have all forgotten is that we have continued to follow this trend, this life, this generation right now. We forget how to be authentic, how to be ourselves. We forget to love ourselves. That is something which is very important. If you love yourself, you will be able to do great things in life.
And that way, once turned itself to a beautiful butterfly. Well, Eulaila, you're one of that butterfly whom I've seen and nurtured you since the very first day we met before our pageant days. And here you are, winning this prestigious crown. Congratulations, darling, once again. Thank you.
Tradisional. Ke kostum kayak kostum. Nomor ke kostum kita penungkam tak lagi. Kasar kemen. Haka ruang kesiam ini akila. Tadi tak. Mereka tradisional ya. Kapier. Ke tradisional mereka kita penungkam Mawphor. Kalau kita apa itu kita apa kawai. Kedon kawai kerja jadi. Barang apa kirim. Mana kasih ya kedon kawai. Kalau kiriam maupun kiri itu boleh dekat kedon berkawin saja. Kalau kiriam ini kedon berkawin. Di ada ke fashion society kerana ini tradisional fashion show kejomi kari si sabar nasihat kadu jenis sarung juga di mengejar lebih tinggi. Bukan kermen dulu, bah Eulaila beli semat. Pinang kapitalisme berhenti begitu dibopun di bawah ini, tidak begitu dibopun pak. Harpur begitu ini nanti biarlah begini begitu berselesai. Mereka ini masalah, ini berkenan diri dan terus semangat.
Out of 10 things that I do, believe it or not, 7 things would be a mistake. But the 3 things that I do right, the 3 things that we do right, will always get me to move forward. And the same thing will go to each and every one of us. Out of 10 things that we do, 7 to 8 things will obviously be a mistake. But do we say that we will not do it? I don't agree. We have to do it. We have to take those steps. Sometimes they pay, sometimes they don't pay. But does it mean that we lose our heart? No, we will not. Because I think the best example that you can see here is not just because Eulaila win, but because of the fact that each and every one of you are standing beside her, standing behind her, standing in front of her, and supporting her in every step that she takes, shows that you as a clan, you as a family, are always willing to take that step with each and every family member of this family. And the same thing might not just be with her, it might be with any one of you. When you take those steps, they are there to come and tell you that, look, you've taken a good step, we are here to support you. It has nothing to do with anything. It's just that the family system and the value system that the Malngiang clan has is extremely strong, and you should be very proud of this. Because believe it or not, we as a Khasi society, as a Khasi society, we are very less. Khasi bagi janja, if you add us up together, we are hardly 20 lakhs. Tang India, the population current is past 4 crore. Tang Northeast, na ikra ni India berapa? Tang Northeast, ke Assam current 8 crore siteng. Tinggi Khasi bagi compare Tang Northeast kita, we are very small, we are extremely small. So we need one support, Iwai Barambor. And it is extremely critical of she's very lucky in fact, that she has the whole value system behind her. And that value system, believe it or not, is a very good example that your family is showing the world. And that value system is extremely critical for her also in the future, because she has to achieve many more things, she has to achieve bigger things, she has to move, and believe it or not every time will be as good as this. There will be a time when she will cry. There will be a time when all of you will cry, because of the failure of somewhere or the other. But do you think that failure will not get you anywhere? It will get you everywhere. Because those will be the stepping stones. And believe it or not, but defining a character of VM, it is only when you achieve those hard times. And I have this confidence, seeing from this gathering today, that the entire family will always be there for each other. And that is the good part about this family. Namapa, when she came to my house also, we were just talking. And she was a little naive, right? Like fashion show, you get you get that feeling from society, they look at fashion show as something which is a little provocative. And if you look at it from a perspective of the person who's competing in, She is the torchbearer of our society.